Oh, hello. It's not cold, you say? Whatever, I just like wearing my hat. In fact, I like wearing a lot of different hats. I have a lot of hats, and they really mean something to me, actually, even if it's weird. Hats are one of those things that are really cool because a lot of times they're gifts from people, and so that's like a really good memory. And also, or sometimes you just get a hat for free at work, and you really like it. It represents your company. Shout out. But sometimes you get hats at really cool places, and that's how you remember them, kind of like a souvenir. It's just that memory kind of. Some hats you're wearing all the time, and that's how people know you. It's like, hey, dude, nice hat. And I'm like, thanks, man. If you ask me, I think it's good to wear many different hats, not just one. Even if people don't like them. Like this hat. Some people don't like this hat, and they'd make fun of me and judge me for wearing it. But you know, if it makes me happy and doesn't draw me further away from the life I meant to live, then what's the problem? Like, get out there, experience new things. Like, really? Do you really want to tell me that all I can wear is this one hat, maybe one other, and that's it? Well, let me tell you something. I like wearing lots of different hats. And if that's a problem with you, then I'm sorry, but I'm going to do it anyways. Because when you try on new hats, that's how you meet new friends. And when you meet new friends, that's how you experience life and what it's all about. Some hats you just cannot wear. I understand. Like, if it says Iowa on it, just do not wear. That's a no-go. But if it's not that, then what's the harm? At least try it and encourage your friends to try other hats, you know? If you go through your whole life and only wear a couple hats, then how can you say you've experienced life? Like, what if I would have never tried this hat on, and then I would have never known? I would have looked so good in this hat. It's hard sometimes, though. Sometimes you get ridiculed for the hats you wear. I think we should be careful, though, not to let people around us, or culture, society, even family, determine what hats we're gonna wear, you know? We should be trying different things that we feel we could be good at. And I have a friend, he does a really good job wearing a lot of hats, and I respect him for it. Even though I make fun of him, I feel like he's brilliant. I should start being more encouraging to him about wearing those different hats, because as long as they're not bad, they're probably good. So let's all try to be better at encouraging others to not be scared of wearing different hats. And also, just try to be real and honest with yourself and think about what hats you actually want to wear in your life and just do it. I'm just saying, even if it's out of the so-called norm of what people think about you, that's okay. People can think weird about you. I mean, honestly, chances are they already think you're weird, so what's it gonna change? So you show them who's boss. You show them that you are really meant to wear those hats and that you have confidence. Confidence that in your life you can achieve more than just one thing. You can go out and do multiple different things if you want to. Time for a little freestyle rap. What do you think of this cool hat? I'm just a bee that's yellow and black. And I'm just here driving down the road. I think I saw some crazy ghost. Oh, just kidding, that was corn. Corn.